Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. So, I got these slimes. If you know what they are the drizzle and swirl slimes from, I forgot what company it's called. You can get them at like Walmart or something. And I fixed this slime, but for some reason, if you play with it gets your hands really wet. I don't know why. But I fixed it. It was way better before. Like, I fixed it another time before this. And then after that, I added more things to it. But I still really like this one. Actually, I like this one better because doesn't stick to me as much. And it has more of a glossy look. And it's more and less like the original slime. It still stretches. And before it was like really rippy. But my other slime makeover, it was like, and it like didn't even rip, and it was like kept going on and on. And then you drizzle it down, it's all really fast. But before it was a makeover, this is what it would do. It wouldn't even stretch like that. If I went to go like this, it would just break, like snap, in all different pieces. And you couldn't poke it either. Just buy a swirl. It says at the bottom of the packaging if you're buying a swirl or a drizzle. And also if you squeeze the packaging, it should kind of feel like Play-Doh. That's the dough, that's the swirl one. If you want a drizzle, it kind of feels like water. You're squeezing it, it kind of feels like just water. But it's not actually, it's really nice slime. This is a really nice slime. I absolutely love it. It's like, this doesn't really get my hands wet anymore, unless you have to like mix it in every time you play with it though. Like you have to like play with it before you actually get into like making slime bubbles and stuff, because it's gonna be a little wet. But I don't really know if you can make a slime bubble with this type of slime. Oh, you kind of can. It kind of makes small bubble pops. I'll show you. See, it makes bubbles. They don't stay for long. I went swimming yesterday, only me though, not my cousins or anything, just me, not even my madre. It was just me because, I went to a birthday party. My cousin kept asking me if she could come. I kept telling her no. She was being such a brat. Oh, that's pretty. I'll do that again so you can see what happened. So I'm swirling it. It looks amazing when you swirl it. Such beautiful ones. And I kind of like twist it and then put it together. Kind of helps the effect look nicer and prettier. So now I'm going to leave it like this. And now I'm going to drizzle it. Guys, it's a really nice slime swirl. Look at that. It was way better before, but this slime can make really good slime swirls. But you guys are probably like, I want to see the drizzle one. Stop talking about this one. Well, I'll do it in a second. Okay. This slime kind of like rubber, but it feels weird. Yeah. You'd think it's like rubber and it's just gonna break when you stretch it. I'm not even doing it slow. It's literally keeps stretching. It just doesn't do well at slime swirls because you can't see. Because like it's pretty, you know, but like then you go to swirl it and it just like balls up. It doesn't even like do anything. Really nice though. I actually like it a lot. If you stretch it out a bunch and then you go to make a slime swirl with it, like you have to stretch it out a bunch or it's just gonna pop back up. It's gonna go boop and then it's gonna go like that and it'll like go like small and then you won't have any slack to do the slime swirl with. See, I mean like the other one sticks the dresser, this one doesn't, but it's pretty, but like I don't understand why it won't look better. I went to Lifetime yesterday, and that's why I went swimming for my birthday party. For not my birthday party, Jack's birthday party, my classmates. If you don't know what Lifetime is, it's a working out place where there's also swimming pools you could go to. But it's Lifetime Fitness. Not the Lifetime TV show. And it doesn't poke either. I'll just like, and this is like more of a store-bought slime. And I would say this is more of a homemade slime. I forgot to poke this slime, so I'll do it for you right here. Take it out. But it does leave a bunch of residue on your hands. Okay, bye guys. I love you. Peace.